How to recover deleted call history on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you wish to recover deleted call history on your Android device, then here's are some of the steps you can try. So first you can check Google Backup. Open your Android device and then select Settings. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and tap on Google. Now select all services and scroll to the bottom. Under Backup and Restore section, select Backup. And here you can easily see the backup details. Under that, make sure the call history is listed in your backup. If your call history was backed up, you may be able to restore it when setting up your phone again or after performing a factory reset. Afterwards, you can even check your phone's built-in backup service. So for that, you can follow the same step. So the next step is simply you can easily check your phone's recent application. Some phones may have a temporary log of calls or recent actions stored in recent apps or notifications. You can check apps like phone or messaging to see if any recent call data is still available there. If none of this worked for you, you can download a call history recovery application from Play Store, and then you can easily open app and restore deleted calls. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.